And hello there, Ultraman fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is one of the very first figurized standard model kits of the Ultraman line. This is actually the manga, or rather, the Netflix anime version of Ultraman. So that line, we have Ultraman B-Type Action. So as you can see here in the box art, we can see Ultraman here, which is the son of the original Ultraman from the show, in human size form with some armor. And it's called B type because the A type was his father, and when he was given the suit, it was provided or given to him as a B type. And action means that there is a mobility in the waist area, or rather in the torso area, instead of having a LED unit. So off to the side, we can see Ultraman here, B-type, front and back, some action poses here, and yes, this is what the action type is actually selling, wherein there is mobility and in the torso area, and some gimmicks and poses that you can do with him. And off to this side, we can see here the information of the anime. And yes, you can see here him side to side with Ultraman 7.5, which is actually the manga or the Netflix anime version of Ultraman 7. So as we open the box, we can see we have one bag here with two sprues, one all gray, one all red, a sticker sheet. Second bag, we have some clear blue parts, some gray, and some more stickers or transfers. Another bag with three sprues, gray, red, and black. Another one with all gray, clear, and black. Last, we have an all red and the figurized standard stand. And of course, let's not forget the instruction manual. We're in, where was that? If you can see here, once again, the B type, or rather the action type, boasts a flexible torso. So let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. So first off, we have the A1 sprue here, which is all gray. Rather, in the anime and manga, it's silver. So yeah, it represents most of the body of Ultraman, which is all silver. And we have an A2, which is, yeah, this portion of A1. So this is for the sprues A. Yep. We also have a B sprue, which is actually has a B1, which is all red, and a B2, which is only this portion of the sprue. So those are the B. We have a C1, which is all gray, and a C2, which is this portion, which is for, yep, the joints. We have a D. Yeah, we have a D, which is actually a clear blue and this clear color here. So this is actually, this is both. Oh no, sorry. We have a D1, which is this one here, the all blue, and we have a D2, which is just clear white or clear color. We have an E1, which is just a single piece of red armor. This I think it goes to the chest. We have an F, which is a silver part, and I think these are really the parts of the torso. We do have them from the A, but previously these figurized kits of Ultraman was released in pairs. Actually, one is just Ultraman B type, wherein there is a LED unit, and the action one, which has no LED unit. Lastly, we have the G1, which would support some joints, I think. And of course, the stickers. Yep, stickers there. The standard stand and the instruction manual. So there you have it, Ultraman fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the Figure Standard Ultraman B-Type Action. So this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, leave a like, share the videos, like the videos, hit that notification bell. And until next time, see you and thank you.